welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do courses for free in Coursera. Once you're inside Coursera, guys, you want to go ahead and find a course that you're interested in. So let's say I want to do this one that says Python for everyone. I can click on this course, and here you'll have the option that says enroll for free. Yes, you can enroll for free. So simple click on enroll for free, and you will have the option here to either start a free trial and you can start to do that course. But let me show you another one. If you want to do free courses, there's a section here on the home page that basically shows you those free courses, and you'll see it mentions that those courses are for free. You just need to scroll until where you'll find get started with these free courses, and you can select a free course. So let's say introduction to statistics. I can click on that course and you will be taken over to this section where it says enroll for free. Simple click on that and you'll have the option that says full course but no certificate. So you can do the course, you can enroll in the course for free, you just will not have any certification. If you want this option, then you know you'll have to pay to have the certificate, right? So just simple click on full course, no certificate, and click on continue, and just simple click start learning. You'll have access to the full course material. As you can see, these different modules here on the side, you can go through the entire course and do the course as you wish. But and that's all there is to it. You can easily enroll or do free courses in Coursera. So guys, now let me go back and show you something. So let's say you are at your home page and you'd like to continue your course. It's very easy. Most times you'll see the course that you're currently doing on the home page, so you can easily go ahead and click and continue on that course, right? So it'll take you right back into that module. Another way is to go from the top here where it says my learning, and you can continue from your courses right from here by simple clicking on it, and you can start to continue with your course. So just simple click and you'll be able to open up the course and continue right there within Coursera, guys. Very easy and very simple. So guys, if you're looking for a way how to do free courses in Coursera, this is how you go ahead and do it. This is how you enroll in those free courses, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.